So Jacqueline, we can have some really cold weather tomorrow, like single-digit feeling?
Yeah, it's going to feel like we're in the single digits with windy conditions on top of the cold temperature, so you might want to bundle up tonight and for the second half of the weekend tomorrow too. We're seeing our temperatures dip down pretty cold as we headed through the day today. We were also cold and below the average. Normal highs are in the mid to upper 30s for this time of year, and we only got into the mid 20s for highs today. So we were certainly cold today. Of course, we did see some of that snow as well. Places farther south and east saw more in terms of accumulation, but that system is now out of our area. Tomorrow's high temperatures cold again, low to mid 20s, so the actual temperatures themselves will be similar to what we saw today. However, it's going to feel like we are in the single digits. We're going to have strong winds coming in out of the northwest. There'll be some flurries off to our north and west as well. One or two of those flurries may try to work their way into our area, but for the most part, tomorrow's looking like a pretty dry day, and we will see some more sunshine too. Partly sunny skies, but again, with the winds, that sun is not going to help us warm up much at all. Wind speeds right now are already up to 20 miles per hour in Reading, 10 miles per hour back in Lancaster and Pottstown and Allentown. So we're feeling the winds out there already, and because of those winds, it already feels like we're in the single digits in a lot of spots now too. 9 degrees is what it feels like in Allentown. It only feels like 3 degrees back in Reading. As we head overnight, some spots may even drop down into the negative temperatures in terms of the feels like temperatures. It may feel like it's below zero for a couple of spots as we head overnight. As we look at the current conditions though, temperatures are in the teens and the 20s. We're at 20 degrees right now in Allentown, 19 in Reading, and Lancaster reporting mainly clear skies. So with that system now out of here, we're going to see these clearing conditions. That'll be the case overnight. Then as we head through Sunday, again, we should see some sunshine, but it's not going to warm us up a whole lot. Satellite and radar showing us those clearer skies. Some cloud cover still back off to our west, but there's that system that brought us that snow earlier, now affecting New England, pushing its way off to the north and the east. The future satellite and radar as we head through the overnight period, again, we do stay dry. We'll see mainly clear skies, but it is going to be cold as we head overnight and throughout the whole day tomorrow. Those windy conditions making it feel like we're in the single digits. As we head through Sunday night, the actual temperatures themselves will be dropping down into the single digits. And then on Monday, we stay cold. Highs only reach the upper 20s, but it's not going to be as windy, so the real field temperatures won't be quite as bad. As we head into Tuesday, temperatures will start to moderate a little bit, and we will see temperatures back up into the low 30s, but we are going to see some precipitation too. So with those highs near that freezing mark, we could see some snow, sleet, or some freezing rain mixing in before we see that transition over to rain, because our temperatures for the second half of the week are expected to be above the average. And here's that temperature trend. Our normal high is 36 degrees. We're below that this weekend, and as we head through Monday, then for the second half of the week, our highs jump into the 40s and near 50 degrees. So we do have a little warm up on the way, but it is going to be cold these next couple of days. Overnight, the lows are in the low teens. Breezy conditions out there making it feel like single digits. Clear to partly cloudy. Tomorrow we're partly sunny with highs in the mid 20s. Again, it is going to feel like single digits because of those strong winds out of the northwest throughout the day. 7-day forecast, cold on Monday, upper 20s, but with a good amount of sunshine before we turn unsettled, but milder for the rest of the week. Chandy?